All right, 5 minutes starting now.
Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes. Somebody needs to climb up in the rafters.
Hey, the rafters, yep.
Yeah.
I think 2 in the rafters and 1 at, I'll be, go to the kitchen.
You definitely heard us talk about rafters.
Come on, come on. Come on.
I don't want to hang out in that rat shit.
Come on, come on. Up here. I can get up if you guys want.
That's where I'm going.
I'll go up. Like it's fun. I'm having fun.
What about up there, Eric? All right, we got 60 seconds.
I got him. I got him in the back, but I got him. We didn't lose like 3 times.
Hey, Eric.
Yeah.
Is that Dylan?
I think so. I don't know which one it was. All right, I got them both.
I got it.
Here, hold on, you're on that cable there. There you go. I don't know what happened to my back plate.
Here, what? Oh, yeah, same. Same. Not too cheap.
Quants, I'm on your team, dude.
Hanging right down. Okay. I heard something.
Are you?
Yeah, I think you got me. I gotta take out 1 more.
Yeah.
It's 1 lap first, 1 by.
What?
It's you versus him.
I know.
That's a game.
Yeah.
We got 1 more.
We got 1 more? Come on now. Okay. See something there. Nice. Sorry, man. I didn't realize you're so close.
No, that's fine.
Whew. That's exciting.
You won?
Yeah.
You won. Nice. Nice. Yeah, of course y'all can't beat us, dude.
Were y'all in the ceiling at first?
Yeah. Yeah.
we had to win.
I was the one, I got both y'all through the door frames.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. I saw the red light. I was like, no.
I knew, dude. I know. I was like, damn it. I crawled up there and I was like, there's a light on my head. I was like, well, we're
I
going
wasn't even
for it.
looking up at all.
Yeah.
Where did I get shot from?